Ano pasado, o grupo aqui dedica mais de 40.000 horas no trabalho voluntário, que trata aqui de time de Cox Automotive de Merca. A empresa percurá para mais de 200 de seus empregados na Binha Aruba a dedicar atenção na São Pedro Pavilhão. Não unicamente o edifício há um man de ferro, sino que o personal voluntário a dedicar tempo especial a nos grandes também. Tudo gasto durante a custo de companhia que foi ano passado está planeando o trabalho aqui. Assim a companhia está dando algo back na Aruba comunidade. O trabalho não está fora de meio de trempão e o personal a desfrutar o momento. Também a cobrir gasto de contratista na Culobini. Outros semana finalizando o trabalho de voluntário. O grupo aqui da Aruba para 5 dias e amanhã lo regresa Merca.
So our team, every year we take a trip like this to usually a really nice resort island like this, and every year we take the entire team, usually about 200 people, out into a community that we go to visit for the trip to do community service work like we're doing here today. And we usually try to look for projects like this that we get to spend time with people like this that may not otherwise get the sort of gifts that we bring, and it just makes us feel really good to be able to do it. So we're just really excited that we were able to come spend time with these folks, and it makes us feel really good doing it. So we do these types of projects usually in lower income areas all over the country in the U.S. We spend money, time, and effort to just, again, go back into the community to give back, because we all recognize that we're really fortunate both to have the jobs we have and to work for the company that we do. And so the company encourages us all to get back into the communities. We last year spent over 40,000 hours in communities in the areas where we have staff. Over 40,000 hours just giving back in the communities, doing projects like this all over the country. So this is a big deal for us. The company really invests a lot of time and effort into this kind of thing.